The patients that have had the older machines and maybe they stopped using it because the mask was too big or it was too loud, they come in and see our displays in the lobby, and a lot of the time they look at them and say, I didn't realize how small they are now. With the new one, it's a lot smaller, it looks a little more sleek, it's nicer, it's definitely quieter, it has a lot more functions it can do. Change your life for the better. Visit SNEE1605.com. Sneeze and Snooze Clinic, where Michiana comes for better sleep.